Hi guys, happy new month everybody. Though we started this new month with a lot of issue going around in forex industry, but there is no need to panic. So I'm not actually making this video purposely for MFF. MFF owners, either I believe in binary 0 or 1, either they succeed or they don't succeed. That just there is no clear explanation about that. But I'm not actually going to talk much about MFF. I'm trying to talk about the psychology that is behind it, the thing going around. There are a lot of pro traders, there are a lot of people not talking much about profit man. You know the psychology that is going to spread around forex industry, especially to the beginners that do not have much funds. They may be asking too much questions. They may be asking questions like, if MFF is the best prop firm around and this thing is happening to them, what is going to happen to the next prop firm? Which prop firm is the next to collapse? How am I going to scale up my trading career if every prop firm is to go down? Are you sure that prop firm is going to exist again? How do I scale up my trading career if there is no prop firm? There are a lot of questions that may be coming to your mind, but that is why I'm here to talk about everything that I understand, to explain much about the psychology that is going to happen, so that I will let you know that there are a lot of things that you need to understand. Don't let anybody to confuse you. Don't let anybody to confuse you on being reluctant or being stagnant, or many complacent, saying let me just be managing this instead of me to risk this one, instead of me to risk this one. So I'm here to talk much about this. I'm not actually here to talk about MFF. If you go to a lot of videos, check out YouTube, you see much about people talking about MFF. I'm not trying to talk about MFF. I'm trying to talk about the psychology, the impact that MFF, what that is happening to MFF are creating in the forex industry. And if it is not well addressed, there are a lot of people that may give up in their forex trading, give up on prop firm accounts, and remain stagnant on their little funds that they are holding. Let me say $10, $50, $20, or something like that. They will just be reluctant with it. So that's how I've come today to discuss deliberately on this, so that you will not let anybody confuse, because there's somehow about psychology of something. If they have now start rumoring that things are happening, it's going to change a lot of things, and you don't let anything change you. Let's go. What you need to know: in every business career, there must be an obstacle, and forex trading is not an exception. There must be a failure on the way to success, no matter the approach, no matter the business you are doing, and forex trading is not an exception. However, but do not let the obstacle redefine your goal. We see obstacle on the way toward our goal. We don't see obstacle before starting our goal. It's only somebody that starts pursuing a particular goal that sees obstacle. So you don't allow the obstacle you see on the course of choosing or achieving your goal to belittle or make you redefine your goal, making you settle for the less. So that's just it. Forex trading is very lucrative business that requires a big goal for you to achieve it. So any obstacle you see, be prop firm issue, be broker issue, be a fund issue, be even the knowledge issue, keep on going. Remember that goal you set before you started. Remember that breakthrough you want for your family. Remember that success that you are pursuing. Remember that your dream car. So do not let this thing that is happening to MFF change your mind on how you see profit. That you enter a taxi and that someone enters taxi and the taxi had an accident and the person died. That should not prevent you from entering taxi. That aeroplane collapse, that doesn't mean that next aeroplane is going to collapse. That the car has an accident, that does not mean that next car is going to have an accident. That the doctor operated a particular patient of a particular ailment and the person died, that doesn't mean that next person is going to die. So apply this psychology in every business. So don't let more of what is happening to MFF make you to settle for your $10 account. If you have learned how to trade very well, trade that at $10. make at least small amount, use it to buy Profem, maintain your risk management, and you're good to go. Even if you have issue in that next Profem, don't worry, next time you're going to do better. So the question is, how going to scale up? How going to make a change? How going to change this scenario? How going to take advantage? How going to use what happened to MFF for our own good? So that is why we're here. What are we going to do next? What are we going to do? So what are we going to do is the question that everybody will be asking. What's next? How do we go about it? How do we solve this issue? There's not much. It is just a general business advice. Everything about psychology of money. That is what I would say that everybody should do. What I'm going to do is that we should always learn how to take a calculated risk. Yes, wealth belongs to the risk takers, but there's something I learned from the book called Psychology of Money. That book said that you should take a risk that will allow you to take another risk. It is in a risk that will build fortune, but don't take one risk that will stop you from taking next risk if that risk does not later work out. That means that in that book they say you may be wrong half time and still make a fortune. Just like your trade, you may be losing 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. One trade like this, I don't know if it has ever happened to you. One trade will recover the whole losses, then I still give you a profit that will make you a bit comfortable. Assuming that you've risked all your money in one trade and you lose it, you'll be like, what am I going to use to trade again? But if we risk a bit by bit, then, so what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that we should learn how to not put our egg inside one basket. Let me just say, you know how to trade very well. You bought $5,000 account and you made profit. You carry your whole money and buy bigger account. You make profit. You carry the profit and the refund and buy another one. That is how you are compounding your profits and your everything are still inside the profit because you want to make it very big. That means if you lost that particular last account, no money to trade again. So what I'm going to do is we should learn how to money management. If you make any profit from profit, take some money, buy another profit, take some money, put it inside your own personal trading account. Also take some money and put it inside your bank account. You see, it's 3: profit, personal trading account, and your bank account. If broker mess up, your bank account there. If profit mess up, your trading account there. So that is just it. Let us know how to manage this, and don't use your last card to buy profit. If you have $50, don't go and use $49 to buy profit. What I'm going to do is use $50, trade it until you get $49. Then you use it as a trading profit. You will still be trading your $50. If you have $100, don't use $89 or $100 to buy profit. Trade that $100 and make money to buy profit so that you have your capital. You have the one you invested as a profit. Profit is just a big leverage that if it goes against you, it will take you big. If it goes for you, you make big. So that's what I'm going to do. Let us learn how to manage profit. Don't put your whole egg in one basket. Even if it's in your broker, no matter how good they are, if you make a profit, withdraw it. Even if it is your bank account, no matter how good they are, if you have enough money, invest it. Even if no matter how particular investment is good, diversify your portfolio, diversify your area of investment. That is just it. If you get money, put in this profit. Don't trust any profit 100%. So that is just it. That is just it. And do not let anybody tell you that idea about profit is rubbish, that the next 2 to 3 years there will be nothing like profit. That is not true. Profit is going to continue existing, and they will continue doing better as people are being held to do better things, so as it favors us. So in next video, I'm going to talk about how we are going to benefit in this thing that is happening to MFF, how to take advantage of it, the next move to make to take advantage of what is happening to MFF as a new trader, as people that look forward to buying a profit account. So thank you very much. Do not let anybody to confuse you that profit is all rubbish. Do not let pro traders to tell you that, oh, there's no any idea about profit. you are still prefer Profem to in personal investors. I can use $49 to buy any Profem account for $5,000. Then if I lose it, it is my money. But if you have investor of $10,000 account and you lose 10%, the person says you should pay back. Where will you get the money? But the other one is between you with lesser money to buy big. If you lose less. Then one day if you win, if you continue to try, one win, which is 10% or 5% or 2%, is going to recover all the money. So let us continue doing our best. In every business, there must be a challenge. And when challenge comes like this, there are a lot of rumors that are going to spread about. And those rumors create a very bad psychological impact among people that are involved in such business. So I don't want my viewers, I don't want my fellow young colleague to fall for this. Let us continue pushing. Everything we go back in now. In the past, there has been a lot of issue of profit, issue of broker, issue of market maker manipulating the market, a lot of things. But forex trading is still standing strong, and people succeeded that. So do not let what is happening to my forex fund to happen to you to make you remain stagnant and complacent in relaxing with your little amount of money that you have. Let us keep pushing. If MFF will not work, we'll try consumer traders. If consumer trader fuck up, we'll try any other Amazon account. I'm not here to promote any Profem account. I'm just trying to make a reference. So if MFF goes down or if they recover, fear not. Let us keep pushing. Profem is still a hope for people. So in summary, do not let anybody to confuse you. Do not let anyone to make you relax or try to flip your $5 account or $10 account to 1 million. It will take you a lot of time and the psychology there. So let us keep on trying. Let us keep on doing our best. Profem is here to stay and we are going to benefit from it. Let us keep pushing. Maintain a good risk management. Take advantage of Profem. Take advantage of everything. That's how a lot of people have scared through. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, if you like the psychology, if you want to make any comments, drop it on the comment section, and please try and subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of things to dish out. Remember, in every weekend we always give market analysis, and I hope you are going to enjoy and take advantage of it. And this channel is here to serve you, to make you better. We are always optimistic. There's no pessimism in this channel. So let us keep pushing our best. We are going to reach our targets. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share to others.